Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, February 26, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We kind of backed into the close of February today. We have been progressively hammered the last 3 days, and it's gotten a little worse each day. And today we closed out negative just over $6,000 on our closed out trades. And just as has happened each of the past 3 days, we get the open and it's not too bad. And then, in 30-45 minutes, everything really plunges. Today we were almost to break even like 5 minutes after the open, and then we went from almost break even to negative over $6,000. So that's kind of rough. What I can say about today that is good is the Dow is starting to fail, just as I have been suggesting. It can't get through the ceiling at all, so it's got to go down. I would really like to see this thing fall another 300, even 400 points would be great, and then we're going to be in the position to make some money. We just can't make any money in this current environment with this thing up on the ceiling, and today was no exception. We had negative $6,000 on closed out trades. We're carrying negative 1,900 going over the weekend, and what we're holding is there's just nothing there to give us much hope. Everything we get into goes soft, and that's the way everything's going right now. And you can see it in the Dow here pulling back 81 points today. It just doesn't have any life in it. It needs to go down and recharge its batteries. So I am happy to see that starting to happen, and I would be delighted Monday if it really tanks. We'll just have to wait and see. I don't have any good trades to show you, so I'll show you the bad stuff and the source of my frustration. Hey, before I leave this page, though, I do want to say something. We had the last 3 days have been bad. The last 3 days of February, bad. But February's been a pretty good month. Actually, we're closing February with $55,000 in profits. That's up from January. I think we had $24,000 in profits for January. So we've basically doubled our profits from January, and January was not bad. So February's been a good month, even with the past 3 days. So I remain optimistic, and I did updated the spreadsheets on the website. You can go download that and take a look at it. Anyway, I'll show you the first bad thing today. This is Ambarella, AMBA, AMBA, and I think I showed you the chart from yesterday in 3D systems. It looked almost exactly like this. We get this pop-up in the middle of the day, we buy it, and then it just dies. And we're holding negative $2,000 in Ambarella in open trade equity. We're not out of it yet, so we just have to wait and see. And this next one is in Solar City. We've been getting kind of chewed up in the solars lately. Great sector, by the way, but just not doing much lately for us. We had bought Solar City yesterday on a gap up, and it just piddled out yesterday, closing against us. And you know, you come in here and see this pattern where it actually gapped up this morning right on the open. You know, at this point with all our markets, we're almost at break even, but then it fails there, and we ended up we lost about $1,500 in Solar City on that. So but the main thing I'm showing you, this kind of pattern was repeated. We had a okay open on just about everything, and then it immediately failed within 30 minutes of the open, and it took us down to $6,000 loss in our closed out trades. Anyway, not a great day, but Trader Bob is not depressed or terribly unhappy. I'm focusing on the fact we did make $55,000 this month, and I'm looking forward to March, and I just hope that Dow falls out of bed on Monday. Anyway, we'll see you then. This is Trader Bob signing off.